Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how it looks once you flow coat a car. Now I've had several comments stating that the flow coat was not gonna work, was not gonna be a good finish for the car. Let me show you up close, guys. And there it is, up close, nice, even, no orange peel, nothing, guys. So I don't know what you guys are looking for in a show quality finish, but there it is. Now I know that there are a couple of hate comments and stuff, which is fine, that's no problem, but what better finish do you want than that? There you go. Now I still need to flow coat the top, which is gonna be done tomorrow, but I can start assembling it. I can start assembling the chrome, everything. They're still finishing up with the chrome, but there it is. Looks nice, really nice. There you go, guys. Now if you still want to buff it, you can buff it. It has enough clear to get it buffed, which I don't think it's necessary at all, but you have enough clear to do so. There it is. It's a real quick video, guys, showing you the quality of a flow coat, but there's still some hate comments there, which I don't mind. Just makes me stronger. This will be it, guys. I didn't want to leave you without a video this weekend. I am working hard on this Impala, so this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you, guys. Like always, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it auto therapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind.